In this video we're going to look at upgrading the firmware on one of Cattron's latest systems using CattronLink. The systems that can be upgraded with CattronLink include the 10R, the 17R, the 11R, the 18R, the 325, the 32, the 41, the 411 and the 611, plus the safety stop OCUs. Locate the CattronLink on the website, download the program, install it on a PC, which is Windows 10 or later with a Bluetooth link, and then launch the program. Once launched and the system ready, you can click on Device, New Device, Scan Devices, and in the center window show available devices. Here we can see the MCU because it's in passive mode. An MCU will not show up if it's connected to a device. The OCU isn't visible because it's not yet powered on. If I click on the on button, the OCU powers on and it becomes visible for up to 60 seconds after initially powered from the off state. Click on the OCU, click on connect. Enter the password. Default password is 219547 and can be found in the user manual. Once connected, the status LED on the OCU will start to flash blue and you can see it's connected. If I hover over this, I can see the currently installed firmware. To upgrade the firmware, click on the firmware icon, third one down, select Package, click on Browse, find the firmware file that you need for this particular product. It's a sub-gigahertz OCU. These will be identified on the Cattron website. Select it, click on Open. CattronLink will populate the to-be upgraded characteristics. On the left you can see the currently installed firmware, and on the right you can see the to-be installed firmware. This is true for master, slave or radio. When ready, click on the upgrade button. Click on Accept. You will see the window in the middle says upgrading master. It will switch to upgrading slave and then it will switch to upgrading radio. The process will take about 3 minutes. I'll resume the video after a short pause and you can see now we are upgrading the radio microcontroller. Once this is finished, the OCU will reboot and CattronLink will confirm. It asks if we want to reconnect a device. At this point, I'm going to say no, but at this point the OCU is completely upgraded. The same process would be followed for the MCU.